Welcome to Roblox.
Welcome to Roblox. This isn't a single game, but a vast digital world where millions of players imagine, create, and play together. Think of it as a portal, one that opens into millions of experiences, all built by users and all running at the same time. Before the adventure begins, you need an account. This is your passport. A verified email and a strong, unique password are essential, and personal details stay off the profile. Roblox includes built-in systems to manage security, privacy, and access. Contact settings control who can message or chat, and certain features, like voice chat, require age verification. These checkpoints exist to keep the journey safer for everyone. Parental controls act like a guardian layer over the experience. Parents can link accounts, monitor activity, limit chat, and set content ratings that match maturity levels. With the right settings, exploration stays age-appropriate and comfortable. Your avatar is how the world sees you. It's your digital identity, shaped through outfits, accessories, and animations. Some items cost Robux, but many are free, making it easy to experiment and express personality without spending anything at all. Movement is simple but powerful, with keys, with a mouse, and a spacebar. These basics unlock everything else, and once they feel natural, the world opens up fast. Roblox is full of paths. Obstacle courses, simulators, tycoons, and roleplay worlds fill the landscape. The Discover page acts like a map, and starting with simple obstacle courses is often the easiest way to get comfortable without feeling overwhelmed. Progress on Roblox is local, not universal. Each game remembers its own progress, saving your achievements and items. Watching experienced players is one of the fastest ways to learn. Sometimes the best tutorial is simply observing. Robux is the platform's virtual currency. It's used for avatar items, upgrades, and access to certain games, and it's purchased with real money. For younger players, gift cards create a clear spending boundary and help avoid surprises. Small purchases add up quickly. A monthly Robux allowance encourages budgeting and decision-making while avoiding impulse buys. And one rule matters most: free Robux generators don't exist. They're scams, and they're best avoided entirely. Roblox is social by design. Friends can join each other's games, chat, and form groups around shared interests. Filters help block inappropriate language, but awareness and smart choices still matter when connecting with others. How an avatar looks can shape how others respond. Friendly presentation often leads to better interactions. When behavior turns toxic, the safest response is not engagement, but blocking and reporting. Every world has its slang. Words like noob, AFK, or ABC pop up quickly, and chat filters sometimes replace blocked words with hashtags. When that happens, the message is simple: don't try to work around it. Roblox isn't just for playing. Roblox Studio is a free tool that lets users build their own games from templates or blank spaces. With a few basic tools, imagination turns into playable worlds. Behind the scenes, Roblox runs on Lua, a beginner-friendly programming language. Writing scripts introduces logic, variables, and problem-solving, skills that extend far beyond games and into real-world technology. Some creators go further, earning Robux by selling items or access to games. Through the developer exchange, Robux can be converted into real money. For successful developers, Roblox becomes not just creative, but entrepreneurial. At its best, Roblox is a balance of creativity, safety, and curiosity. Whether you're playing, building, or learning to code, the platform offers a space to grow skills and imagination. The portal is open, and how the story unfolds is up to you.
Hi, thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.